Hello everyone. Today I'm on my 1990 Toyota Motorhome, and there's a repair that I want to show you. It's a quick repair, but not a lot of people know about it because it was quite difficult for me to find out how to repair this problem. And so today I want to show you. It's about the door latch on these units, and it's actually a problem that I've seen in other RVs, and I want to show you the quick repair that I did on it. It did take a lot of research, like I said, so hopefully you'll find this useful. And it has to do with when you have a very loose latch where it actually doesn't have that springy action anymore. So let me show you what I mean. Now here's the Toyota latch as we all know it. By the way, this one also works on like some of the older Airstream trailers. Apparently this latch is also found on those, so let me show you. Okay, so here we have the door latch, and it's fixed now, but I'm gonna show you how I fixed it. Now when you look at the outside, this is the actual latch in the closed position. As you can see, there's no spring action, it's not closing all the way. And as we go to the inside, you see that the handle, it's in the right position, but it's also very droopy. You can tell how much play it has on it. So that's what we want to fix now. Now, doing research, various motorhomes and trailer forums, I came across a post that tells you the size of the springs, and then I got on eBay and I found these. And they actually did the trick. They're not the original ones. They have a little bit more tension on them, but as you'll see when I put them on, they work just fine, and they're just slightly bigger, but they fit right on the spaces where it's supposed to go. And here's the back view of that bag. So now let's get on it and see if we can fix this thing. To remove the back cover, there's just two screws that you have to remove. I'm using a manual screwdriver, but if you use an electric one, it's a lot faster. Once you have your screws out, it's really easy. You just pull on that entire plate with the handle, and it comes right off and exposes everything inside there. Now you just take some needle nose pliers and pull out the springs. They're very easy. And now just take your new spring and slip it on there. As you can see, the top one I've already done. I actually did it on the last scene, so I kind of cheated a little bit, but you get the idea. It does compress a little bit more, but it's perfectly fine, so don't worry about that. And so just reassemble the same way you disassembled. It's quite straightforward, and you'll be fine. Now, I don't know about you, but I do like using power tools, but I find it oddly satisfying to manually screw in your screws when it's actually pretty easy. And it just gives you a sense of achievement when you do it. That's why I'm using a regular screwdriver. Anyway, to each his own, right? Now, as you can see, there's a spring back in the handle, and the outside is also not remaining open. It's properly closed, and there's a spring to it, so job done. Well, I hope you found this quick repair useful, and I hope it solves that problem if you're having it with your Toyota RV. So subscribe for more videos like this, and be sure and check out my other videos about other older vehicles and other projects that we've got going on this fourth gear channel. So thanks again, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.